Good morning. For today's hamster combat, daily cipher and daily combo. And before, please subscribe, follow, like, and share. Thank you. For daily cipher is take the prize 1 million coins. For daily combo is yan po, hanapin si special, my cards and pre-market loans. Ito po siya. Go ahead. Yun. Then dito tayo sa markets. Hanapin si top 10 CMC first. Ito po. Yan. Hanapin nyo po yan. Then go ahead. Yun. Pangatlo, hanapin si special again. Then sa ito po, sa new cards po ito, sa special and new cards. Ito po, hanapin si Toon Hamster Combat Success. Yan po. Okay, go ahead. Yun take the prize 5 million coins. Yan. Natin sa taas, yan po sila ha. Pre-market loans and top 10 sim seepers, 10 Toon Hamster Combat Success. Okay, back to the menu. And then isahan na to, game na game. Go to mini game. And for today's hamster combat, puzzle solve, 1 minute time. Bilisan natin. Before po kayong pumunta dito, kailangan na-review na ninyo yung mga pa-review sa mga ibang vlogger, okay? Ibang content creator. Then ready na kayo, go na kayo dito. Okay? Go, play. Yan. Paano nga ba? Ito. Yan. Ganyan, ganito, ganyan, tsaka ganyan. Ganyan pala. Sorry, ganyan. Ganyan. Be patient lang. Ganyan. Yan. Yun. Diba? Simple lang. Then, kung ready ka na, pwede mo na siyang exit. Okay? Are you ready? Let's go. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's go. Yun, di ba? Good job sa iyo. Goal for today. Achieve. Keep up. Let's go. Please subscribe, follow, like, and share. Bye.